Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombiebargainhunter, and today we're going to be opening up 2 more of the Pixar boxes. This is week 3, day 6, I believe. Yesterday we have an awesome day. We picked up another winner. Look at that. And we picked up a gold card. Both are numbered. But yeah, you guys got to watch the video to see what numbers they are. So yeah, we had an awesome day yesterday. Hopefully it continues today. Come on, open up. If you haven't subscribed, I'm doing a giveaway every single week while I'm doing this. I think I wound up buying 10 cases, so I'll be doing this a little while longer. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Well, I guess if you weren't enjoying it, you wouldn't be here, right? So yeah, I have 10 cases to go through. Hopefully we hit another winner card. Yeah, it's been an amazing week. We picked up embroidered Toy Story. We picked up a gold card. We picked up a metal card. And this week has been fantastic. So hopefully the luck continues. Come on, winner. Winner, 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 winner. No winner. If you're watching on TikTok, make sure you come over to YouTube and subscribe and like and do all the good stuff so you can join the giveaway. I'll be doing a giveaway every single week. I've done it 2 weeks in a row. Not everybody has contacted me, so there are still some prizes out there. Including, I believe both main prizes haven't been claimed yet. So, go back there and watch the videos so you can claim your prizes. I do put on the YouTube. I do put on YouTube. I put the race. There's zombie races, so that's how I pick. And my thing's gonna fall there. And that's how I choose the winners. So go watch the race. If your name is on the end screen, that means you are a winner. So come and, or I should say, instant message me, and I will get your prize out immediately. So let's see what we can find here. We have a Buzz and a May. Yeah, if you need any cards, plushgamesandmore.com. You can either buy them singly, you can buy them by the pack. People asked me to sell them by the pack, so I did open a box and started selling. Ew. A piece of the pack got on me. Crying helps me slow down and obsess over the weight of life's problems. That is Inside Out's movie quote. So yeah, I have them on my website. Buy the pack, buy the 2-pack, buy the 5-pack. So any way you want to buy stuff, buy the box, or you're guaranteed to get one of these in every single box. That's the way I would go, but that is up to you. And maybe you'll pull out a winner card. We have May, and May says, I'm so sick of being perfect. I'm never going to be good enough for her or anyone. I don't know who I'm talking about, but whatever. Come on. We have an upside down Rex and a Slinky Dog. We have 2 Miguels. I slow down every time I see a silver card because I've almost missed the gold card twice already because of the silver looks like the gold. So I had to slow down. Every time I see a silver card, I slow down. I think the first one I pulled, I almost threw down because it reflected what I was wearing. I was wearing like a brown. Every time I opened up a silver card, it looked gold, so I didn't even pay attention. Oh, this one does not want to open. I have a Merida and a Lotso. Let me know down below who was your favorite character out of these guys. Ooh, we have a Jack Jag trying to shoot his father. Get him, get him, get him. And a Mr. Potato Head. We have one more day this week. So, we've had a really, really nice week. Whoa, this pack is tough. Got a Linguini and a Forky. Haven't had a gold Remy yet, I don't believe. So that would be nice to get one of those. I need a gold rat, don't you think? I have a silver rat, but not a gold rat. Or maybe a black rat. A black rat is, our black card is 10. There's only 10 available out there. So the red's 100. And the really thick card called Nebula is only 50 out there. So they really made the set collectible. So there's a piece of the paper that won't go away. Or a piece of the card pack. See? It won't. It keeps sticking to me. We got a Slinky Dog and a Wally. And like I said, if you're watching on TikTok, make sure to come over, like, and subscribe so we can get your gifts. Or get you entered into the giveaway. And if you're on YouTube, for some reason, 250 people watch, but only like 5 people per video comment, like, and subscribe. So there's only like, I think the last giveaway there was only 12 entrants, I believe. So you have a 50-50 shot of getting something really nice if you just like, comment, and subscribe. It's not that hard. We have a 3D Mr. Whiskers. And we have another Mr. Potato Head and Mrs. Potato Head. That's a bunch of potatoes. That's a bunch of fries. Alright, let's see what we got. Hopefully something really nice. Ooh, it is. We have a Toy Story. Let me take this one out. I know a bunch of people have asked me to take it out. I don't want to because these magnetic cases scratch easily. But you can see the gold, just how really nice they made these cards. It's really, I don't like to brag, but really nice cards. Alright, and what's the last card? Let's see what we got. Come on, a patch or something good. Oh, alright. We got a Credibles Jack film cell. Really nice. There we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can join the giveaway. Don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. And I will see you tomorrow. It is almost week 4. So, yeah. Take care, everybody. Bye.